and welcome back to our channel TechUp. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide all locked posts on OnlyFans. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then type in onlyfans.com. Once you do that, go ahead, give your credentials to your OnlyFans account, then sign in. Once you have signed in, you're gonna see options like home, notifications, new post, chat, and your profile on the bottom of your screen. Stay on home, then on the top right corner of home, you're gonna see two icons, three-dot menu and a search icon. Go ahead and select the three-dot menu, then three options will pop up on your screen. Just go ahead and select hide all locked posts from there. Then you'll successfully hide all the locked posts on OnlyFans. And guys, that's it. That's how you hide all locked posts on OnlyFans. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.